I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Expedia website. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open your web browser and go to expedia.com. Make sure you're on the official site. If you aren't already signed in, click Sign In at the top right and enter your current login details. It helps to have access to the email and phone number already on your account, since Expedia may ask for a quick security check before allowing changes. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner for your profile or account icon. Click that to open the account menu. From here, choose Account or Login and Security. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the layout you see, but you're looking for the section where Expedia keeps your personal and sign-in information. Inside Account or Login and Security, find the Email Address section. This is where your primary contact and login email is listed. Click Edit or Change Email. For security, Expedia might ask you to re-enter your password or confirm it's really you before you proceed. That's normal and helps protect your account. Now, enter your new email address carefully. This address will become your main login and the place where Expedia sends confirmations, receipts, and travel updates. Double-check for typos. Missing a single character can prevent you from receiving important messages. If possible, use an email you know you'll keep long-term, so you don't lose access to future bookings or credits. If prompted, complete the verification step. You might receive a code via email, a prompt to confirm through two-factor authentication, or a request to verify using your current login details. Keep the Expedia page open while you grab the code, and then return to enter it. If you don't see the verification email right away, give it a minute. Then check your spam or junk folder. You can also resend the code if that option appears. When everything looks correct, click Save. You should see a confirmation message on the screen indicating the change was successful or pending confirmation. Next, go to the inbox of your new email address and look for a message from Expedia. Open it and follow any confirmation link or button provided to finalize the update. This step is important. Without confirming, the new email may not fully replace the old one. That's it. On your next sign-in, use your new email address. As a final tip, consider updating your password manager or browser autofill so your future logins are seamless.